Today, we'll be learning about signs of trig functions and quadrants. Now, in every quadrant, trig functions are either positive or negative. So to help you out with that, I have a handy little acronym for you. ASTC. All students take classes. You can also write that in your graph. ASTC. So, the A stands for all. So in quadrant 1, all the functions are positive. S stands for sine. So in quadrant 2, sine's positive, cosine and tangent are negative. In quadrant 3, tangent is positive, so sine and cosine are negative. And in quadrant 4, cosine is positive, so sine and tangent are negative. So, to help you guys out with this, I prepared a few examples for us. So, what quadrant is x in if the secant of x is greater than 0 and the cotangent of x is less than 0? Well, cosine is going to be positive and your tangent's going to be negative. So, let's write out our graph. Put our acronym on it. And let's work this out. So how do you figure out what this actually means?
Matthew Jones, please report to the media center. Matthew Jones to the media center, please.
That announcement was hilarious. So, how do you figure this out? Well, your cosine is going to be positive in quadrants 1 and 4. Your tangent's going to be negative in quadrants 2 and 4. So which one is overlapping? C. So your answer is going to be quadrant 4. How did I get that? It's confusing, I know. But let's do another one, just to make sure you guys understand what I'm talking about. So, example 2. What quadrant is beta in if the cosecant of beta is greater than 0 and the tangent of beta is less than 0? Well, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so sine will be positive. Tangent is reciprocal of cotangent. So that's going to be negative. So we draw our chart. So, if sine is positive, that means it's positive in quadrants 2, 1, and 2. 2 and 1, 1 and 2. Tangent is negative and in 2 and 4. Which one is overlapping? Quadrant 2. So your answer will be quadrant 2. So, those are our 2 examples for you. I hope you understand the signs of trig function in each quadrant and you use this acronym. I know it will really help you out when you take your tests. Thank you.